Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your channel is verified with a phone and has no active strikes, because YouTube blocks live features otherwise. Once done, open YouTube Studio and go directly to features to turn on live streaming. This is the first actionable toggle. Also confirm you're signed in as the channel owner or manager. Without owner access, you can't enable streaming. Do these now so you can move on to configuring keys and encoders without hitting permission walls. Next, prepare the tools. Verify your phone if YouTube asks. Features sometimes take up to 24 hours to propagate, so don't panic if live isn't immediate. Then open YouTube Studio, click Go Live and copy the stream key from the Stream tab. Keep it private. Choose an encoder like OBS or Streamlabs for desktop, or enable mobile streaming in the app if eligible. Configure resolution, bitrate, and latency in your encoder to match YouTube's recommended settings before you test a local stream. Finally, run a private test stream to confirm audio, video, and bitrate are stable. This avoids embarrassing public failures. When ready, schedule or start the public stream and watch stream health in YouTube Studio to detect dropped frames or high latency so you can adjust bitrate or encoder presets. If live is still not enabled, the key troubleshooting tip is to check account restrictions. Community strikes, unverified phone, or recent feature rollouts can block live. Resolve those and wait up to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.